In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coda. Coda is an all-in-one workspace that blends documents, spreadsheets, and lightweight apps. To get started, head to the Coda website and create a new doc. You can start with the blank doc if you want full control, or pick a template if you'd like a head start with common structures. Think of a doc as your main workspace where everything related to a project can live together. Once your doc is open, organize it with pages. On the left sidebar, click New Page and create dedicated sections for things like a content plan, tasks, or client notes. Pages help you keep your work structured and easy to navigate as your doc grows. You can create as many as you need to separate planning, execution, and reference materials. Now let's add the feature that powers most workflows in Coda, tables. Inside any page, type /table and insert a table. Add columns for the details you care about, such as task name, status, deadline, and owner. In Coda, each row represents one item, like a single task or a piece of content. This keeps everything consistent and trackable. Make your table smarter by customizing column types. Change a column to text for open notes, select for a dropdown, date for schedules, or checkbox for quick yes or no fields. For example, set status as a select column with options like draft, in progress, and done, and make deadline a date column so it's easy to view and sort. As your doc expands, connect data between pages so information stays in sync. You can link tables across pages and reference the same source. For instance, a content calendar page can pull from your tasks table, giving you a single source of truth that appears in multiple places without duplicating work. To streamline repetitive work, add buttons, type /button, and create actions that mark a task as done, add a new row, or send a notification. Buttons reduce clicks and help your team follow consistent workflows. Change how your data appears with different views. Switch a table to a calendar view for timelines or to a board view for a Kanban style workflow. You can always return to the classic table view when you need a detailed grid. Keep everything in one place by adding files and embeds. Drop in images, videos, or links so context and assets live right alongside your plans. Finally, collaborate by sharing your doc, assigning tasks to teammates, and leaving comments where work happens. When you're ready to scale, duplicate your doc as a template and reuse it for systems like a content planner, a CRM, or a project tracker.